All right, let's show a tip for Yamaha motorcycle mirrors. This may be applicable to other manufacturers, but definitely a Yamaha thing. So you got a mirror flopping around. You want to adjust your mirror so you can see behind you better. The left side mirror on these is going to be your standard righty-tighty, lefty-loosey thread. So you loosen that up, you position your mirror where you want it, you tighten it back down. No problem. On the right side, if you see this little notch, this little cutout in your mirror, that indicates this mirror on the right side is the opposite. It has reverse threads. So rather than righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, you're going to turn it the opposite direction to loosen it, and the same with the mirror portion. So if you were to take this all the way out, you would see that you have to turn it backwards, you know, as normal threads would go. So on this one, get it where you want it, turn it the opposite direction, snug it down, it'll hold in place. But that way, using that tip, you won't go crazy and over tighten or, you know, damage your mirror not realizing. So like, once again, you see the little notch on there, that's your indicator of left hand threads. And that's all there is to it. So if you're struggling with your Yamaha mirrors, there you go.